Hi, I'm Jenny. I've been painting for over 40 years and I use the wet into wet or alla prima method. Here's a peek at what we're going to paint today. You'll notice I'm letting my brush strokes stay very textured. I'm not trying to smooth them out, or blend them together. The light is coming down from the center. You'll notice that I'm keeping all of my strokes going straight across, parallel to the bottom of the canvas. And back in here, it's dark, but it's a little on the bluer side, a little bit brighter right in through here. The sun would probably be hitting this back in here and spark it with a little bit of different colors. It's kind of like the land is sloping down right in through here. The back of her dress is very dark, so I'm going to kind of just put that in dark. I'm going to give her hair little strokes here. Give that shoulder a little bit more highlight. If I do a push, I can get a little longer grass. Just going along my edges now, making sure I've got my edges making sense, like they're going into the land. I'll take that light color all the way down. A little bit of that bright right there. There's that. You can oil paint too, so let's have some fun.